Your live Doppler 18 forecast with meteorologist Chad Evans. Certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Well, we've got the Midwestern equivalent of a nor'easter, these big storms you get in the northeastern United States. But in the Midwest, we call this an inside runner. And these usually bring the heaviest snowfalls in the region. A lot of times they'll bring you over a foot of snow, but this time it's all rain and the pressure's down now to 987 millibar here at Cleveland, Ohio at that observation at the Burke Lakefront Airport. And that's about a Category 1 hurricane pressure strength there. All right, notice the rain though kind of flowing in from the east. We've had a steady wind-driven rain all evening. The good news is notice the yellows and the oranges sliding southward with time. So the heavier rain is starting to move south. And there's still rain upstream, but it doesn't look like it's going to be as heavy. Still some greens and a little bit of yellow up here, but looks like some of the heaviest rain maybe now trying to exit the viewing area. Nonetheless, as the low moves up towards Ontario, we'll have a little trowel, a little tongue of light rain that'll be with us through later on tonight into the day tomorrow before it tapers to just a nasty drizzle, and the winds will stay kicked up. Gusts overnight tonight into part of tomorrow, 40 to 45 miles an hour. Then it'll get the storm out of here. It calms down, the sun comes out, and we get a frost and a freezing event for Friday night and Saturday morning before it warms up in a big way. It'll be at 70 Tuesday, but this sign of things to come. There is one strong storm up here in Canada and a strong cold front that could bring a few snow flurries by later on next week. Rainfall so far 1.2 at the station, 1.4 Monticello. The 2-inch amounts are off to the east towards Atlanta. Around 1.5 inches reported from Chris there in Tipton, and almost 2 inches at Crawfordsville, but only 63 hundredths at Morocco. And peak wind gusts so far 41 miles an hour at Fowler, 34 Monticello, and we had a gust of 33 here at the station. Again, gusts overnight 40 to 45 at times. Low to mid 40s right now, 43 Burlington. It's 44 at the TD station. We're going to drop into the 40s overnight tonight. We'll be kind of hanging out in the low 40s in the morning, mid 40s by noon, and 48 at 5. Notice the rain intensity coming down, and then just kind of a wind-driven drizzle at 5. The wind's slowly starting to calm down later on in the day. So windy tonight, windy a good chunk of tomorrow. The heavy rain's departing, and that'll be left with light rain and then drizzle later on tomorrow. Then we've got that frost and light freeze and a nice weekend on the way with a warm-up. Mid to upper 40s for the highs tomorrow with the nasty weather around. 47 Burlington, 48 in Lafayette, 49 in Kentland. And notice on Futurecast, again, keeping the rain in here for the overnight. I think the heaviest rain's exiting now. Still light rain tomorrow, then drizzle later on tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening before the clouds finally start to clear out tomorrow night. And then we've got a mostly sunny Friday at 54. 31 Saturday morning with a good deal of frost, and then it warms up. We're at 70 on Tuesday, windy with some showers and thunderstorms. Kind of showery Wednesday at 47. Could even have a couple wet snowflakes Thursday morning, and even next week a few little brief flurries or perhaps a little sleet later on next week as we struggle to even get to 45 by Thursday and Friday.
Oh boy. All right, well I know you'll keep us posted on that.
Got it.
All right, thanks Chad, appreciate it. Well, Mike Clef standing by, and there's a little